Well, let's throw it over to you. I mean, what type of content are you looking for that you think is going to do well on LinkedIn?
Yeah, definitely. I think that because it's such a young professional audience or professional audience, we're going to see a lot of tutorials and demonstrations. We have LinkedIn is kind of a unique channel in that it's companies interacting with other companies, and specifically you're usually there because you participate in a professional playing field. So I think LinkedIn Live is an awesome opportunity to display your product in a dynamic way or your service where you're able to actually engage with the audience who's probably purchasing or utilizing that product or service, or even has expertise in what you're demonstrating. So you can actually have a little bit of shared thought starters across the LinkedIn channel. So I definitely think that offers a lot of opportunity. And definitely, like we've seen, when doing a product walkthrough really helps demystify what can be a complicated process. So obviously, bringing that to your LinkedIn audience can really help as a selling tool for people who are here to appeal to other businesses. You know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely. And I think really when you look at it from a high level, what these tutorials and demonstrations do for you is two things. They make your company feel really approachable. Make people feel comfortable with your brand or your product. So if you think of a SaaS company that's maybe going to be used by anyone 20 to 50 years old, and there's a lot of ins and outs to it, nuances, things you need to know.
Yeah.
Seeing people talk about that and demonstrate it on screen consistently is going to make you way more comfortable with that product before you even start to use it. So I totally agree. I'm really excited to see more tutorials and demonstrations.